Hi students, next continuation, that is oxidation of alcohols with Coulomb reagents. Next reagent that is Coulomb reagent. Student. Coulomb reagent. Coulomb reagent. What is Coulomb reagent? Student? What is the formula of Coulomb reagent? Student? That is Coulomb reagent is, that is formula is pyridine with combination with chromium oxide CrO3 with dichloromethane. This is the Coulomb reagent. This is very most important, student. Coulomb reagent, that is 2 moles of pyridine. This is 2 moles of pyridine, 1 mole of chromium oxide, 1 mole of dichloromethane. That is 2:1:2. That is 2:1:1 ratio. 2 is, that is 2 moles of chromium, that is 2:1:1. 2 moles of pyridium, 1 mole of chromium oxide, 1 mole of dichloromethane. This is the simple trick, student. Coulomb reagent. What is the role of Coulomb reagent, student? This Coulomb reagent is a moderate oxidizer. It is a moderate oxidizer. It is a moderate oxidizer. It is a moderate oxidizer. Remember, student, Coulomb reagent is a moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize, and one more thing, student, it is also act as a dehydrating agent. Sorry, dehydrogenation agent. Dehydrogenating agent. You remember, student? Dehydrogenating agent means what, student? That dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. That means removal of hydrogen. This Coulomb reagent also act as a dehydrogenating agent. So that is, it can oxidize. You remember, student, this Coulomb reagent can oxidize primary alcohols. It can oxidize primary alcohols. It can oxidize primary alcohols. To give what happens, that is aldehyde will be formed. To give aldehyde. And this Coulomb reagent can oxidize, that is secondary alcohols also. It can oxidize secondary alcohols. It gives ketones will be formed. It gives ketones. And it can, what happens, that is tertiary alcohols. When tertiary alcohols oxidation with Coulomb reagent, what happens, that is no effect. This is a simple trick, student. So you remember, student, that is primary alcohols. When primary alcohols oxidation with Coulomb reagent, what happens, that is aldehyde will be formed. When secondary alcohols oxidation with Coulomb reagents, what happens, that is ketone will be formed. When tertiary alcohols oxidation with Coulomb reagent, what happens, that is no effect. This is a simple trick, student. This Coulomb reagent can oxidize to primary alcohols, can oxidize to secondary alcohols, but cannot oxidize tertiary alcohols. This is a simple trick for, student. This is a simple trick for oxidation of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols, student. Now take the example for primary alcohols, student. Primary alcohols example, that is primary alcohol example, student, that is CH3 then CH2OH. When primary alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. When ethyl alcohol oxidation with Coulomb reagent, what happens, that is acetaldehyde will be formed. CH3CHO plus hydrogen elimination. In this reaction, hydrogen is elimination. That is called dehydrogenating agent. Coulomb reagent act as a dehydrogenating agent. Now second one example, that is secondary alcohol example, that is secondary alcohol CH3CHOH, that is 2-propanol. When 2-propanol oxidation with Coulomb reagent, what happens, that is acetone will be formed. That is CH3 then COCH3 plus hydrogen H2 will be formed. Now take the third one, student, that is for tertiary alcohol. This is primary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol. For tertiary alcohol example, student, that is tertiary butyl alcohol, CH3 then CH3 then CH3 and OH. Oxidation with Coulomb reagent, what happens, that is no effect. No effect. This is a simple trick, student. Why? Because of simple trick. Tertiary alcohol cannot oxidize with Coulomb reagent. Why? Because this tertiary carbon do not contain hydrogen. So that's why simple. You remember, simple reason, student. This primary alcohols, this primary carbon having hydrogen is there. It can easily oxidize. And secondary carbon also having one hydrogen. It also can easily oxidize. But this tertiary carbon do not contain hydrogen. You remember, so this tertiary carbon do not contain hydrogen, so that's why cannot oxidize, so that's why there is no effect. Tertiary alcohols cannot oxidize with Coulom's reagent. This is a simple trick, student. This Coulom's reagent is a moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize the primary alcohols and secondary alcohol, but tertiary alcohols cannot oxidize. This is the simple trick, student. Now next reagent is, student, now next reagent is, that is very most important reagent, that is also Sarrett reagent, student. That is also Sarrett's reagent. Sarrett's reagent, student. It is also act as a dehydrogenating agent. Sarrett's reagent, what is the reagent formula, student? Sarrett's reagent, that is formula is, that is same thing, student. It is also pyridine and chromium oxide CrO3 with hydrochloric acid with dichloromethane CH2Cl2. This is a simple trick, student. This is the simple trick for Sarrett's reagent. 1:1 ratio, all are 1:1 ratio, student. One is pyridine, another one is chromium oxide, hydrochloric acid and HCl. All are 1:1 ratio, student. All are 1:1 ratio. Pyridine, chromium oxide, hydrochloric acid and dichloromethane. This is called Sarrett's reagent, student. What is the role of Sarrett's reagent, student? This Sarrett's reagent act as a moderate oxidizer. It is also act as a moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize, that is, it is also act as a dehydrogenating agent. It is also act as a dehydrogenating agent. It is also dehydrogenating agent. That means, what is the dehydrogenating agent means to what, student? Removal of hydrogen. You remember, sir, dehydrogenating means removal of hydrogen. So this Sarrett's reagent can oxidize primary alcohol. It is also can oxidize. It is also can oxidize a primary alcohol. So these primary alcohols to give aldehyde, and it can also oxidize secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohol also oxidized. Secondary alcohols on oxidation to give ketones. And what about tertiary alcohols? Tertiary alcohols on oxidation, what happens when there is no effect? This is the simple trick. This Sarrett's reagent act as a moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize, that is primary alcohol. When primary alcohols oxidation with Sarrett's reagent to give aldehyde, when secondary alcohols oxidation with Sarrett's reagent to give ketones, when tertiary alcohols oxidation with Sarrett's reagent, what happens? There is no effect. This is the simple trick. Sarrett's reagent act as a moderate oxidizing agent. These are the important moderate oxidation. These moderate oxidizer can oxidize only alcohols, that is primary alcohols and tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohols and secondary alcohols, but tertiary alcohols cannot oxidize. This is a simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you and thanks for watching.